5 Favorite Minimalism Rules for a Clutter-Free Home. Managing all the stuff in our homes can be overwhelming. We often blame ourselves for not being organized enough or efficient enough. But the truth is, it's the excess stuff that is the problem. In the next few minutes, we will share our 5 favorite minimalist rules that can help simplify our lives and create a clutter-free home. Rule 1. The rule of spontaneous combustion. The first rule, inspired by the Minimalists, suggests imagining if an item in our home spontaneously disappeared. If we feel relieved or glad that it's gone, it's a clear sign that the item doesn't add value to our lives. Often we hold on to things out of guilt or because we spent money on them. However, letting go of these items can free up space and make our homes easier to manage. Rule 2. The 20-20 rule. The 20-20 rule, also from the Minimalists, helps us make decisions when decluttering. If we're unsure about keeping an item, we can ask ourselves if we could replace it in 20 minutes and for $20 or less. If the answer is yes, it's a sign that we don't need to hold on to it. This rule prevents us from rebuying items we rarely use and gives us permission to let go of things that don't add value to our lives. Rule 3. Project 333. Project 333, created by Courtney Carver, is a minimalist clothing challenge. The idea is to choose 33 items of clothing, accessories, shoes, and boots to wear for 3 months. The rest of the clothes are packed away. This challenge helps us simplify our wardrobes, makes getting dressed easier, and encourages us to take better care of our clothes. Rule 4. The Seasonality rule. The Minimalists suggest the 90-90 rule, which asks if we have used an item in the last 90 days, or if we will use it in the next 90 days. Expanding this rule to a year, we can ask ourselves if we have used an item in the past year, or if we will use it in the upcoming year. This rule helps us let go of items that keep us tied to the past and allows us to focus on living in the present. Rule 5. The Use It or Lose It rule. The Use It or Lose It rule encourages us to use the items we have or let them go. It applies to duplicate items, special occasion items, or anything we're saving for a better time. By using or letting go of these items, we free ourselves from the burden of excess inventory and create a more manageable home. Conclusion. Creating a clutter-free home is not about being perfectly organized or having all the right systems in place. It's about simplifying and letting go of the excess stuff that weighs us down. By following these 5 minimalist rules, we can make intentional choices about what to keep and what to let go. Ultimately, a clutter-free home leads to increased confidence, reduced stress, and a more enjoyable living space. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All Things Simple.